Welcome to our comprehensive review of Rogers 5G Home Internet. This service delivers high-speed internet directly to your home via Rogers 5G network. It's designed to provide a reliable and efficient internet solution, particularly for those in areas where traditional broadband services may be limited or unavailable. With Rogers 5G Home Internet, you get fast, reliable internet without the need for any physical cables. Let's talk about the key features of Rogers 5G Home Internet. It delivers high-speed internet with download speeds of up to 1 Gbps. It includes a 5G modem at no additional cost, and it offers unlimited data, so you don't have to worry about overage charges. Plus, it's easy to set up and manage with the Rogers Ignite Wi-Fi Hub app. This app lets you control your home network, set parental controls, and troubleshoot any issues. The pricing for Rogers 5G Home Internet is straightforward. It costs $70 per month with no annual contract required. This price includes the modem rental, unlimited data, and all the features we mentioned earlier. There are no hidden fees or surprise charges. However, availability is limited to select areas, and actual speeds may vary based on network conditions and other factors. Rogers 5G Home Internet is ideal for a range of use cases. It's perfect for households that need high-speed internet for streaming, gaming, and working from home. It's also great for people in rural areas or locations with limited broadband options. And because it's wireless, it could be an excellent option for those who move frequently or don't want the hassle of physical cables. There are several advantages of Rogers 5G Home Internet. It offers high-speed internet without the need for physical cables, making it a flexible and convenient solution. It comes with unlimited data, so you can stream and download as much as you want without worrying about overage charges. Plus, the included 5G modem and easy-to-use app make setup and management a breeze. Despite its benefits, there are some limitations to Rogers 5G Home Internet. Availability is currently limited to select areas, so not everyone will be able to access it. Also, while it offers high-speed internet, actual speeds may vary based on network conditions. And while the price is competitive, it might still be more expensive than some traditional broadband options. Let's summarize the key takeaways. Rogers 5G Home Internet offers high-speed wireless internet with unlimited data. It's easy to set up and manage, and it includes a 5G modem at no extra cost. However, availability is limited, and actual speeds may vary. It's an excellent option for those in need of a flexible, reliable internet solution, but it may not be the best choice for everyone. In conclusion, Rogers 5G Home Internet is a promising service with a lot to offer. It delivers high-speed internet with the convenience of a wireless solution. Its unlimited data and straightforward pricing make it an attractive option. However, its limitations, including availability and potential variations in speed, should be taken into account. It's a compelling choice for many, but your individual needs and circumstances will ultimately determine if it's the right choice for you. Thank you for watching our analysis of Rogers 5G Home Internet. We hope you found this review helpful and informative. If you enjoyed this video and found it useful, please click the like button and subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us continue to provide comprehensive reviews like this one. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.